Picture this. It's 3 a.m. again. You're awake, staring at the ceiling, your heart thumping like you just ran a race. You haven't moved an inch, yet your body is on high alert. What's happening isn't just another restless night. It's a surge of cortisol, your stress hormone, rising at the wrong time of day. Normally, cortisol should be lowest between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. That's when your brain repairs, your muscles rebuild, and your heart rate stays calm. But in modern life, that rhythm is reversed. Hidden sugars, bright screens, dehydration, and late medication confuse your body into thinking it's daytime. When that happens, cortisol spikes up to 4 times higher than normal. Your heart beats faster, your mind races, and your sleep vanishes. Each time this happens, blood sugar rises, deep sleep shortens, and your brain misses the cleanup work that keeps memory sharp. Repeat that cycle for months, and you get what doctors now call flipped cortisol rhythm, a state of constant survival, even when you're trying to rest. But the fix doesn't start with pills or expensive supplements. Scientists have identified several natural compounds that can lower nighttime cortisol within minutes. They're safe, inexpensive, and hiding in your kitchen right now. Each one works through a different pathway: blood sugar control, inflammation reduction, nervous system calming, and they all share one thing in common. You only need a single tablespoon. Let's begin with one of the simplest and most powerful: raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. The cloudy sediment floating in real apple cider vinegar isn't dirt. It's a mix of beneficial bacteria and enzymes that support your gut-brain axis, the direct line of communication between your digestive system and your stress response. When you take 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar mixed in 4 ounces of warm water, about 30 minutes before bed, something surprising happens. Your blood sugar stays stable through the night. That's important because a sharp drop in glucose around 2 a.m. tells your adrenal glands to dump cortisol to keep you alive. With vinegar, that crash never comes. In one small university study, people who took vinegar before bed had lower morning blood sugar readings and reported fewer nighttime awakenings. Warm water is key because it helps absorption and prevents stomach shock. If the taste is too strong, a 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey helps without spiking glucose. The acetic acid and probiotics combine to quiet the vagus nerve, sending a message of calm throughout the body. Next is magnesium glycinate powder. Magnesium is the mineral your nerves use to relax, yet more than 80% of adults over 60 are deficient. Without enough magnesium, your brain can't make GABA, the neurotransmitter that tells it to slow down. Magnesium glycinate works better than other forms because it crosses the blood-brain barrier and doesn't upset digestion. 1 level tablespoon in 6 ounces of warm water gives you roughly 400 milligrams, the ideal range for sleep. Sip it slowly over 5 minutes. Within 20 to 30 minutes, you may feel a gentle wave of calm as blood pressure settles and muscles soften. In a clinical trial, older adults who restored magnesium levels slept almost an hour longer each night and saw their cortisol levels drop by more than 30%. It's one of the simplest ways to stop that 2 a.m. adrenaline surge. The next natural aid is tart cherry concentrate. Scientists discovered that tart cherries contain the highest natural source of melatonin found in any food, but they also carry anti-inflammatory compounds that block cortisol spikes. 1 tablespoon of the concentrated form mixed in water before bed can extend sleep by over an hour, according to research on older adults with chronic insomnia. This is not the sweet cherry juice sold in large bottles. You want pure Montmorency tart cherry concentrate, unsweetened. The taste is sharp, but that sourness comes from the same compounds that quiet inflammation and tell your body it's time to rest. Many people notice more vivid dreams as they finally enter deep REM sleep again. Now we move to one of nature's most studied stress regulators, ashwagandha root powder. For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress instead of just masking it. 1 tablespoon in warm milk about an hour before bed can lower cortisol by as much as 40% over several weeks of use. The warmth and fat in milk improve absorption, and the taste can be softened with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Ashwagandha acts directly on the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, the control system for your stress hormones, helping your adrenals reset their natural rhythm. For older adults, this herb offers a bonus. It gently supports thyroid balance, which is another key player in nighttime cortisol control. Think of it as a long-term stabilizer rather than an instant sedative. Then comes one of the most surprising tools of all, raw honey. Taken in small amounts, it's not a sugar bomb, but a steady energy reserve. Your liver stores only a small supply of glycogen, the fuel your brain uses while you sleep. When that reserve runs out, the body panics, releases cortisol, and wakes you up. 1 tablespoon of raw, unprocessed honey before bed prevents that crash. It keeps blood sugar stable for 6 to 8 hours and supports melatonin production naturally. Studies show it can reduce nighttime cortisol by up to half. The key word is raw. Processed honey loses its enzymes and calming compounds. Local raw honey has additional benefits because trace pollen helps regulate immune response, lowering inflammation that might otherwise raise cortisol. Take it straight off the spoon about 20 minutes before bed. Mixing it into hot tea or water can change how it's absorbed. Finally, glycine powder, one of the most underrated sleep nutrients in existence. Glycine is an amino acid your body already uses to make collagen, but it also acts as a calming neurotransmitter. 1 tablespoon in 4 ounces of water before bed helps lower your core body temperature, signaling to your brain that it's time to sleep. In clinical trials, glycine shortened the time it took participants to fall asleep by more than a third and cut nighttime awakenings in half. It works by opening blood vessels near the skin, releasing heat and slowing nerve activity. Unlike sedatives, it doesn't knock you out or cause grogginess the next day. People wake up feeling restored because the sleep they get is deeper. Glycine also boosts glutathione, your body's main antioxidant that repairs damage caused by chronic stress. Over time, that means you're not only sleeping better, but also protecting your brain from the oxidative wear that aging accelerates. You can combine several of these methods safely. For example, take your glycine with a spoonful of raw honey, or sip magnesium after dinner and cherry concentrate before bed. Each one works through a slightly different pathway, and together they create a powerful system for retraining your cortisol rhythm. The goal isn't to knock yourself unconscious, it's to teach your body what real rest feels like again. When cortisol drops naturally at night, your heart rate slows, your mind quiets, and your cells begin their nightly repair cycle. Memory improves, muscle recovery accelerates, and inflammation drops. Your ancestors didn't have to fight blue light, late-night news, or endless alerts. Their bodies knew when to sleep because the rhythm of light, food, and activity stayed predictable. You can reclaim that rhythm by resetting one signal at a time. Light in the morning, movement during the day, nourishment at night, and a tablespoon of support before bed. If you wake up at 3 a.m. most nights, it's not weakness or aging. It's chemistry out of sync. But chemistry can be reset. These simple 1 tablespoon remedies can calm your nervous system, feed your brain, and give you back the kind of sleep that restores rather than frustrates. Your brain heals while you rest. Your hormones balance while you dream. Your body is ready to repair itself. It just needs the right conditions. So tonight, before you reach for another pill or scroll through your phone in the dark, try one of these natural supports instead. Let your body remember what deep, steady sleep feels like. Because after 60, rest isn't just comfort, it's medicine, and it begins with 1 tablespoon.